how to set nickname in Instagram chat. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. So open up Instagram, and after opening up Instagram, go ahead and open up direct messages at the top right corner, and your chat's opened up. So from here, you may head over to a chat, and once you are there, tap on their name, and after tapping on their name, this menu appears. Now from the given menu, select the option called nicknames, which is right under privacy and safety. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, select the person that you want to change the nickname for, either yourself or that person. After that, all you gotta do is, in this nickname section, go ahead and type in a new nickname and tap on done at the top, and after doing so, you will be finding his or her nickname updated. So that is how you basically change someone's nickname on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet you on the next one.